everyone, my name is Gaen and welcome to my lab. Today I'm going to explore my digestive system with Sheila.
Hi.
And Hadaran.
Hi.
Help!
Shush, be quiet, Gaen. It's for educational purposes.
Don't worry, I got tape.
Okay, when food enters your mouth, you use your teeth to break it down mechanically by chewing it. There are 4 types of teeth, which are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. The throat is the meeting point between the nasal cavity and the esophagus. This is also where the bolus will pass before going down the esophagus. The muscle above the bolus continue to contract until the foods get to the stomach.
The stomach contains hydrochloric acid, which is an enzyme which breaks down food into smaller particles. Another enzyme in the stomach called pepsin breaks down proteins into a simpler form called amino acids. Food are usually stored in the stomach from 30 to 2 hours, depending on the amount and complexion. Also, the stomach cells are renewed every 2 to 5 days due to the strong level of acid. The liver is the organ that produces bile. Bile is then stored into the gallbladder until it is needed. When there's lipids or fat, the bile from the gallbladder is then released into the small intestine. Then, the lipids get emulsified by the bile. The pancreas produces hormones called insulin to control the sugar level.
The small intestine has 3 portions. In the first portion, the food gets broken down into a simpler form. Bile from the gallbladder emulsifies fats and lipids and turns it into glycerol and fatty acids, which is small enough to be absorbed to the bloodstream. Bile is made in the liver but stored in the gallbladder until it is needed. The second portion is when all the simple substances like amino acids, glucose, glycerol, and fatty acids all get absorbed into the bloodstream. In both the second portion and the third portion, all the simple substances pass through the wall of the small intestine and into the small blood vessel. This is called absorption. As these simple substances move into the blood vessels, they get moved around the body so that every cell can get what it needs in order to survive.
In the large intestine, any food that has not been broken down is called waste. This waste now moves to the large intestine. It gets packed so it is ready for elimination. Also, while the waste moves through the large intestine, any salt or water gets reabsorbed into the bloodstream.
The rectum is at the end of the